Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of One to Step. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to help you learn how to block and unblock someone on Telegram. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping in order to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by typing open Telegram application and then sign into your account if necessary. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in your home screen of Telegram. In order to block someone on Telegram, simply scroll through the contact menu and find someone you want to block. Tap on the contact and then you'll end up in the conversation page as soon as you do that. Now tap on their name at the top of the screen, and from this page, tap on the three dots at the upper right corner. From the menu, tap on Block User, and once you do that, select Block User from the pop-up. Once you do that, the user will be blocked on your Telegram. Now let me show you how to unblock the person back again. Simply tap open their contact from the contact list and then tap on their name at the top of the screen, and at the bottom of the screen you'll be able to see an unblock button in red. Simply tap on it and the user will be unblocked again. It's pretty quick and easy. You can simply block and unblock someone on Telegram with just a simple tap. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was in any way, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.